guys, happy Tuesday. I thought I would give you another Tuesday tip, and today I want to talk about Arbonne's sleep spray and why it's super awesome and how it works. But before I do that, I want to talk about sleep hygiene and why it is super important to sleep in the dark. So many of us sleep with LED lights on and the moon is shining on us and we have lights outside our windows, or we fall asleep with the television on or with our phones on. And why that is a problem is because there is a gland that sits in the center of our brain called the pineal gland, and it is stimulated by light. And when it is stimulated by light, what happens is it sends out daytime hormones. Now, you don't want daytime hormones at night because you're sleeping, and then all the nighttime hormones can't come out properly. So it is super important to sleep in the dark, because what happens is cortisol, which is secreted by the adrenal glands, is highest in the morning. That's the thing that wakes you up. So cortisol throughout the night is slowly creeping up at around 7 a.m. in theory. It's at its highest, wakes you up, and then slowly decreases down throughout the day. Melatonin, which is in the sleep spray, is highest at night because that's the thing that's putting you to bed, and then slowly decreases throughout the night. So cortisol and melatonin are doing two opposite curvy things, right? That's the technical term. And so how you can support the melatonin is sleeping in the dark, because so many people have issues with sleep. And so when I talk to them about sleep hygiene, they're like, oh yeah, I totally sleep with a light on. I'm like, okay, maybe we should change that. So what the sleep spray is doing is helping your body create that natural rhythm. It's that circadian rhythm. So remember, cortisol is high in the morning, slowly decreases, and then melatonin is highest at night and slowly decreases throughout the night. The other cool thing about sleeping in the dark and then waking up with light is that melatonin actually burns off during, like, when it's exposed, your eyes are exposed to light, the melatonin kind of like burns off, it like evaporates, right? So that cortisol can then do its job. So what the sleep spray does is it's helping support that natural circadian rhythm, okay? And how I use it is I typically do 1 to 2 sprays. I know it says 7 on the bottle, and some people need 7 and some people need 1. So I want you guys to experiment with how much you actually need for your healthy sleep patterns. So I am a super fan of it. I use it. I love it. And again, it's helping support that natural circadian rhythm. And what else? There's women's yoga retreat. There's only a few spots left. It is next week. Next week? No, it's in 2 weeks. So still time to sign up for the women's yoga retreat, which is super awesome. I have a 6-week course that is starting on September 6th. It's a Food That Heals course that is an online course that will educate you, and it's a little bit like drinking out of a fire hose. It's all about how to add health, how food adds health, and how your body works, how your body naturally detoxifies. And my cooking show is coming. There's some kinks to iron out, but I will keep you guys posted on that. And if you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. Love you all. Bye.